Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Imagine standing before Allah on the Day of Judgment and discovering mountains of good deeds that you never personally performed. How could that happen? Perhaps because you encouraged someone to pray. Perhaps you inspired a person to give charity. Perhaps you shared a reminder that guided someone back to Allah. Allah gives us a timeless command in the Qur'an: and cooperate in righteousness and piety, but do not cooperate in sin and transgression, and fear Allah. Indeed, Allah is severe in penalty. This verse teaches us that every believer has a responsibility, not only to worship Allah individually, but also to help others obey Him. Before we continue, please support authentic Islamic content by subscribing to the Wisdom channel. Like this video and leave a comment. Allah commands, cooperate in righteousness and piety. The Arabic word tawanu means to help, support, and work together. Islam was never meant to be practiced in isolation. Believers strengthen one another. They encourage prayer and remind one another about honesty. They assist the poor, teach beneficial knowledge, and comfort those facing hardship. Allah follows this with another command: but do not cooperate in sin and transgression. This means Muslims should never support wrongdoing, whether through actions, words, wealth, or influence. The Messenger of Allah said, "Whoever guides someone to a good deed will have a reward like the one who performs it." Imagine teaching a child Surah Al-Fatiha. Every prayer they perform for years may earn you reward. Allah is helping the servant as long as the servant is helping his brother. Think about this promise. When you help another believer sincerely for Allah's sake, Allah Himself assists you. Perhaps He eases your difficulties or answers your dua. The Prophet Muhammad constantly encouraged goodness. He visited the sick, fed the hungry, and comforted the grieving. The Ansar welcomed the Muhajirun into Medina, sharing their homes, wealth, and resources. Allah praised this remarkable brotherhood. How can we live this verse every day? You can encourage someone to pray, help your parents, or give charity. Do not belittle any good deed, even meeting your brother with a cheerful face. The command in Qur'an 5:2 is not simply about working together, it is about helping one another reach Jannah. May Allah make us among those who cooperate in righteousness and piety, guide others to goodness, and earn His pleasure. Ameen. Jazakumullahu khairan for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.